Good morning.
Come on. Oh.
We are in Gran Canaria.
Yes, ma'am.
With our good friend John. We're going to show you him in a minute.
He's in the bloody swimming pool.
I know, he's in the pool. But we didn't realise it's actually Gay Pride weekend and we booked it.
We didn't even realise.
We didn't even realise. I'm going to show you John now because it's in the pool. Ready to see John? Say hi, John.
Good morning.
He's loving life right now in the pool. Is it nice and warm?
It's not bad. The sun is helping.
It's shining. The sun is shining. But yeah, we're excited for Gay Pride. We're gonna pick our outfits out today, aren't we?
I know, like what's his name?
Owen's gonna get a crop top.
No, what's his name?
George Michael.
No, fucking.
I reckon you're gonna look like George Michael.
I'm doing a gay in the village. What's his name?
So yeah, we're excited. Where are we staying? Where is it that we are right now?
Tam Lodges? Tam Resort Lodges. Have you seen him? We showed him outside. It's sick.
Can I show them from the front?
Yeah.
Right, I'll give you a quick B-roll right now of the lodges. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Right. Here's the lodges that we're staying in. Sylvie Tam Resort to 5-star.
What's up, MTV?
Welcome to my career.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.
So they're just having a nice swim in the pool, and then after that we're going to go for breakfast, and then we're off shopping, aren't we? We're going to go shopping, get our Gay Pride outfits. Oh yeah.
Yeah, by the
Beach.
Is that the one by the bear thing?
We're going to bingo
What's he
soon,
called?
aren't we?
The bear guy.
Going for brunch and bingo. But first we're going to get some
I don't know. I'll follow.
We're just having breakfast, aren't we?
This looks nice.
Well, I'm giving them my toast.
Oh my god, the
Would you
eggs.
like some toast?
Nice.
They are really, really nice.
Yeah, why is the egg so nice?
Yeah.
We're at the Old Triangle.
The old triangle.
Yeah, we're going to be playing some bingo. I'm on the bloody Red Bulls. One of Owen's friends, the drag queen, messaged to
Well, it's back with.
Sir, I could get off this.
Come on in. Give it up for the two boys.
Hola!
Hey, fucker, that's enough. They haven't bought a drink yet.
Hola! Hola!
Oh, right there, boys. Chip it. 3 shots there. Cheers. We gave them a free shot because we like them. And plus, I'm gonna f later. Numbers with me, because I don't fucking trust them. We have a winner! All right, you ready? Now, pouch your hands. Are going to put something big in it. Yeah, a lot fucking bigger than that. All right. Come on, up. And then we're going to invite Mother Teresa over here. Right, come on, let's see the hands. Up. you go, that's we go. And if you like Mr. I fucking like it. Alright, we're gonna have to tell them to an lesbian battle. Come on, where's your hands? Come on.
Bloody mental here. Extra large could be baggy and nice.
So large.
Itchy, wouldn't it?
So what would it large be?
Owen's got his outfit. John's just getting his now, and then I'm gonna look for some.
I got a cowboy hat as well.
You're a cheeky bugger, you.
You're a good man, John Marston.
What you discount for 90, those two.
Come on, tell them the
this
fake.
one for
Polos.
it's 150 to 150 for you.
You do for 150 pounds.
I reckon
With
120. 120 and it's a deal.
I reckon I just bought a cowboy hat. Look at this. You're a good man, John Marston. Look at this shop, man. He's just selling just loads of moody goods. Jack and Jones, US Polo, Pepe.
Yes, please.
John's happy.
Now,
He's
if
got
I
one.
come back in for a little something tomorrow, are you going to give me a bit more discount? Seeing as I spent so much today.
So this is us getting ready for Pride. The whole Gran Canaria is getting ready for Pride. There's all the... John's getting ready for Pride.
There is, should we show
But
you
they
what
put all
we've
the they've got the stage up and everything over there.
got? Show them what John's got.
John's got some snazzy hot pants.
Then we have a zip on the back.
Let's look at this.
With this goes around the waist. With, you ready?
I love it.
He's gonna look like bloody J-Lo.
Look at that. But
I got a cowboy hat, it was 20 quid. I think it looks sick.
no, let's show them yours.
Well, mate, I don't even know
What
what
should
I
we keep it as a surprise?
got. Oh yeah, let's keep it as a surprise for tomorrow.
Well, that's going to be in another video.
Yeah.
That'll be in a different video, so if you want to go look at that one.
Where are we now? I don't even know where we
We're
are
in the
now.
Yumbo Centre.
Yeah, we're in the Yumbo Centre. I don't know where we are.
It's called the six-pack bar.
Yeah.
Six-pack bar.
We drink for our...
We're getting our banana daiquiris.
Oh yeah.
And then we're going to go chill by the pool.
And then we'll go out for dinner this evening.
And then we go, oh, we're going to have dinner.
Later this evening though.
Smash.
It'll be a bit later. Look at this. Gay resort. But it has spins on it. Right, we're heading back to the hotel now. It's 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. We're gonna go back, chill, probably have a nap.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go out for a late dinner. We're gonna have some steak, aren't we?
Not even late dinner, is it? Oh, it's 7.
Yeah, we're gonna go for dinner around 9 p.m, aren't we? Are in sunbathing. Look at him. I think he might be asleep. He was gonna go in the pool, but it's too cold. John's went for a little nap because I think they had quite a few to drink. Yeah, I'll come lie down now. And then we're gonna go for food later on.